Today's October the 2nd, 2024. Check it out. Look at how nature takes over everything. All that used to be a mall. Now look at the bushes, the trees growing everywhere. Pretty crazy, right? That's how it used to be here before humans came and developed, supposedly bringing civilization. All the grass, the trees. Now this property, they want to rebuild it again into this, like, development. But look at that, so beautiful, right? How nature takes over everything. It's crazy how we're just like, we're just like creatures trying to take over the planet. But nature always wins. See? All that